Hello, welcome back to Python and welcome back to our little project with the weather API. Yeah, a long time ago I had to look at the code what I wrote here, but yeah. As a quick reminder, if you didn't watch the previous videos, I'm building kind of a script which generates procedural generated images or randomly generated images based on the weather of a certain city. So based on the input, which will be the city, one big capital city around the world, based on the weather, we will create a different image. For example, if it's nighttime, it will be black background, it will be white background if it's daytime. And by the way, I imported pretty print. This was a thing I did between this video and the previous videos. And what are we gonna do today? Today we are looking at the condition, and we will make it as simple as possible today. We will just ask if the condition is sunny, like it is at the moment in Sydney. Let's have a look. How is the weather in Sydney? Sunny. Oh, you can't see the console. 1 second. Now you can see it. In Sydney it is sunny here. So what are we gonna do when it is sunny? So we want to draw a sun, and we want to some yellow lines representing the beams, and so we want to do it after the main image with a lot of dots is drawn. So let's say for if new dictionary current condition text equals sunny, print just for debugging it's sunny. Let's see if this works. No, not that kind of debugging. No, because he's writing sunny in uppercase again. Let's try it. Now we print it's sunny. So we wanna draw something if it's funny. So let's say draw image point ellipse epsilon equals random point rand int between between 200 and 600. Okay. And another one for the next variable. And fill equals red, green, blue. And I had to Google it. Yellow is mixed out of green. And what was the other color? Red. And what is missing is the shape, which should be 2 tuples. If I'm correct. Okay, no, not shape. He will just draw it in the middle. Let's just try it out. What will happen if I click on 1? Nothing, because coordinates must exactly contain 2 coordinates. But there are two coordinates, aren't there? So let's first try this out. Or maybe it was this. Ah, yeah, we had to do it like this. And then it should be on the left side, if I am correct. But yeah. Okay, to be honest, I don't need to show you the image because I didn't see anything. Let's just, yeah, make the numbers a little bit higher. No eclipse. Oh, I got it. The first ones are the coordinates, I guess. Second one, no, the first ones are... I guess I got it. So first ones are the coordinates, second ones are the size, represents the size. So yeah, let me show you the picture. This was the night, this is the day, so it's sunny. But yeah, a little bit too much, so let's decrease it to 100. Let's see. Better. Now let's draw some lines. Draw image point line. Yeah, let's just copy that. Okay, first one in this sequence is a float. And yeah, like this. Let's say width equals 10 and let's run it. Okay, I was messing it up, so yeah. Let's do it for 140, 140, and yeah, width should be 5. 200, 200. Yeah, let me show you, not the day one. Here you have one line, but we want more lines. So let's, yeah, generate them procedurally for, I don't know, in range, random point, randint, 5 to 50. Draw image, random point, randint. Okay, in range. Oh, a bracket is missing. And yeah. This should also be random integers. Let's say 50 to 550. And yeah, 100 to 570. Width can be, what is this? Oh. So again, yeah. Yeah, the syntax is wrong. Two options. A bracket was missing. No, not missing brackets. Then here is one bracket too much. Oh no. Oh, I feel like I'm too stupid. What? Got something entirely wrong, I guess. And I'm too stupid to find it out, and sorry to, yeah, kill the time with that, but I need to find out what the hell yes, here. Yes, okay. Let's do the same for this. Just use 150. 150. Yeah, this should fit. Now let's try it. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, it's perfectly beautiful. That's why I always got an F in art. Yeah, what I did wrong, I messed up the direction. So let's, yeah, kind of increase the direction. But kind of looks like special kind of art for special people. Nonetheless, we can do that in the next part of the video because it's already 12 minutes. And we learned something new, how to draw lines with pillow, how to draw ellipse with pillow, and yeah, how we gain access to the daytime of the weather API. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, nighttime, whatever time it is. See you in the next video. Bye bye.